doing? You being a big boy? Look at my bruise, my forehead, because I fell. But I'm standing up pretty good right now. That's what he's looking at. Ready to get up and start the day? All right. Come on. Wee. Say bye-bye. What's on your face? Oh, God.